This is called as Suruli Kadabu in Kannada. You can also call it steamed coconut rolls. Let's start with our first step. Now I have taken about 2 cups of moong dal. I have washed it in water thoroughly and then I have added some tomatoes to this. I'm going to pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Let's begin with our second step. Now this is some dry grated coconut. You can also use fresh coconut if you want. Then this is some coriander leaves, some garlic, and these are the chunks of coconut which are remaining when I was grating the coconut. And to this I'll be adding some more of this mixture. Now to this I'll be adding some curry leaves. This is some cinnamon stick, dalchini. This is some cumin seeds, some long, add the remaining cumin seeds. Now I'm going to churn this to a powder. Now this is the coconut powder which I got. Now I'm going to add salt to this. Now this will look like this. To this I have added some salt. Now this is the filling we are going to fill in this chapati ka roll. So let's keep this aside, and now we'll take our wheat flour. Now this is the wheat dough which I have taken. You're supposed to knead it just like the dough which you use for making chapatis, but it shouldn't be very soft, it should be little hard. Now take a small portion of this. I have dusted some flour to this, wheat flour. Now I'm going to roll it like chapati. Now this is the steamer, idli patre. I have taken idli vessel for this. I have already added water and I have switched on the gas. Now I'm going to take this coconut filling and spread it on this chapati. Gently spread it all over the chapati. Now gently roll this. This is the Suruli Kadabu. This is very good for people with cold, cough, fever. It gives a very nice taste when you are sick. Roll this gently again. And now I'm going to grease some ghee to this. Brush with ghee, some ghee to this as well, and then gently place it on the idli tray, idli mold, and we are going to steam this. Okay. Now I have rolled one more chapati. Again I'm going to add this filling. Gently spread it all over the chapati. Now gently roll this like a suruli. Yes. Just pack this this and roll it. Grease it with some ghee. Now I'm going to place this into the idli mold. Close this and we are going to keep this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let us check our dal. Our dal has been cooked, and now meanwhile our kadboos are being cooked. We are going to begin with our dal. Let's heat our kadai. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee, and then I'm going to add all the spices one by one. These are some cumin seeds, crushed garlic. There is already some garlic in the suruli kadboos. These are some red chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, some salt, some red chili powder, some garam masala. This is coriander powder and some haldi powder. Curry leaves, some coriander leaves, red chilies, and into this I'll just add the red chili powder, garam masala, haldi powder. Give it a nice mix and pour some water. Some tamarind juice, and we are going to add some more water to this. Add about 2 to 3 glasses of water. Now in goes some salt, some jaggery. Now let's add this dal. Gently add the dal. Now let's add some coriander. We'll just check if our suruli kadboos are done. So these are done. Slice them. Our dal is also done, so let's serve it to my serving bowl. So our kadboos are ready. Let's add some generous amount of ghee to this, to the dal as well, and I'm sure this is going to be a very yummy dish. I'm going to have it hot. Please definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. Please keep watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care.